Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Venom Foundation. In this video, we'll dive into what Venom Foundation is all about, the benefits it offers to users and developers, explore its ecosystem, and even touch upon their testnet. So, let's get started. First off, what is Venom Foundation? Well, it's an innovative blockchain project focused on revolutionizing the cryptocurrency market. They aim to provide essential infrastructure, support for inbound projects, and a developer-friendly platform to address existing challenges in the industry. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Venom blockchain. Whether you're a user or a developer, you're in for a treat. For users, Venom offers a secure, scalable, and efficient transaction experience. No more waiting for confirmations or worrying about network congestion. Venom's advanced features ensure seamless transactions and peace of mind. Developers, on the other hand, are provided with an exceptional platform. Venom Foundation's developer program is designed to support and encourage developers to build on the Venom blockchain. They offer resources, support, and networking opportunities to create innovative applications and smart contracts. Now, let's explore Venom's ecosystem, which offers a range of exciting services. First, we have the Venom Wallet. It's a non-custodial wallet that provides multi-sig accounts and ledger support, ensuring the highest level of security for your funds. Next, we have Venom Scan, a powerful tool that allows you to search and explore the immutable records of the Venom blockchain. It's a treasure trove of information waiting to be discovered. Then, there's Venom Bridge, which enables seamless interchain transactions. You can connect different blockchain networks and explore the possibilities of decentralized finance. Venom Pools is another gem in their ecosystem. By staking your Venom tokens on validator nodes, you can participate in the network's consensus and earn rewards. If you're into asset swapping, providing liquidity, or farming assets, look no further than Web3.world. It offers an intuitive platform to engage in these activities effortless. Lastly, we have oasis.gallery, an NFT marketplace on the Venom blockchain. Here, you can trade and collect unique digital assets, immersing yourself in the vibrant world of digital art and collectibles. Now, let's move on to Venom's testnet, a playground for innovation. The Venom Foundation provides a dynamic testnet environment where developers can explore, test, and unlock NFT rewards. By completing tailored tasks, you not only gain hands-on experience but also earn additional tokens. It's an opportunity to push the boundaries and shape the future of blockchain. To stay connected with the Venom community and get the latest updates, make sure to follow Venom India on their social channels. Join the conversation and be part of this incredible community. That's it for today's video on Venom Foundation. We've covered what Venom is all about, the benefits it offers, its exciting ecosystem, and even touched upon their testnet. Remember, the future of blockchain is being shaped right now, and Venom Foundation is at the forefront of this revolution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy blockchain exploring.